Today I'm going to show you water flossing. This is water flossing and I'm using a soft and rechargeable, and I use this twice in a day and during the night substitute of toothbrush. So let's begin with water flossing. I hope you will enjoy. Watch till the end. Thank you guys. And this is water flossing, and this helps especially this kind of side, and my cord is clean and by effect of this, and this is useful, effective and hygienic. Let me show you with tongue cleaner and with rechargeable water flossing and how to use this and how this is helpful and how this will clean your tongue. I will show you. Let's see. Let's begin. Okay, alright. Okay. And I have cleaned my tongue and with water flossing, and now I feel